I want to walk you through how to set up your Criterion account. Criterion is the resource that we use for the final exam in English 1302. So your professor is going to provide you with a link. The link is criterion.ets.org and an access code. When you click on that link, you will come to this page. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that you can create a new account or sign in. So you will need to create a new account. At the top, there is a place for you to enter that access code that your professor has sent you. So you'll enter that. Title means Mr., Mrs., Dr. You can leave that blank or enter it if you want. First and last name, you'll need to create a username. Creating a username is a little bit difficult in this database because it has to be unique. So I tried several things. Ultimately, I had to put first name underscore last name, and that worked. Create a password, a security question, and then click submit. If you submit and nothing changes, then scroll up to the top and you'll see in red, it'll tell you in red what you did wrong. And you can try again. But once you have created a good username and password, then you will log in. When you log in, this page will come up and it will have the name of your professor. So the name here may be different. If you're not in my class, the name will be different. But you will click on that name. And then on this page, click on the tab Assignments. What will come up is a prompt. Your prompt may be different, but you can go to Start Plan, and it provides you with some resources to begin the plan for your essay. So your plan should be done in advance of beginning to write the essay. Then, once you're ready to start writing, you'll click Start Response. And that will bring you to this screen, which provides a text box. I have typed all of this in. It will provide a text box where you will start to work on your essay. You can write it in Word and copy and paste it, or you can compose it here. What I wanted to demonstrate here is that each one of these is a paragraph. You need to leave a blank line between each paragraph. That's the way that it will be read as a paragraph. So instead of indenting like we normally do, you will leave a blank line like I have done here. So this is the first paragraph, and then you leave a blank line, second paragraph. Of course, these are just short demonstration paragraphs, and your paper will be in response to your prompt, not in response to what a good writer you are. But when you have finished, you will click Submit, and that will submit your essay.